Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to the viewers. My name is Nazmi bin Nizal. I am from class E25. I'm going to conduct a tutorial on text formatting by using Microsoft Word. So there are 5 learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the audience should be able to firstly do text formatting and alignment. Secondly, create cover page by inserting logo and other details. Third, insert header and page numbers. Fourth, create table of contents. And last but not least, export the text file into PDF format. Without further ado, let's begin. Hello everyone, and welcome to the manual on text formatting using Microsoft Word. I will guide you through the process of creating a well-formatted document. Without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Not my computer, but your computer. Next, click on File in the top left corner. Then select Open and choose the document that you want to format. This is the document that we are going to format today. We start to format our document by separating the titles on each pages by inserting section breaks. Drag the cursor to before the introduction. Go to the layout, tab here, and select breaks and choose next page under section breaks. Repeat this step for each section. The symptoms, ways to protect yourself and others, COVID-19 cases in Malaysia, vaccine efficacy and effectiveness, National COVID-19 Immunization Program, and also the references. This is the final look of our document after we separating the titles on each pages. Next, we want to format the whole text. Select the entire document by pressing Ctrl key and A. In the paragraph section, here at Home tab, paragraph section, choose Justify for proper alignment. Next, we are going to apply heading styles. Navigate to the Styles tab here and apply the heading 1 style to each section's title. For introduction, heading 1, then symptoms, heading 1. This is the final look after we apply the heading 1 styles on each title, each pages. The next step is to add a cover page. Move to the first page here, click on Insert and select Pictures and insert the pictures from this device. Logo UiTM here, insert. We can adjust the pictures according to our preferences, and I want to put it in the middle. Include necessary details on the cover page, such as the title of the document, author's name, the lecturer's name, course code, and any other relevant information. So this is the final look of our cover page after we inserting all the information that needed on the cover page. So next, before we want to insert table of contents, we need to apply a page break after a cover page. This is the cover page, so we need to apply the page break. On the first page, click on the layout tab and select breaks and choose page for a clean separation. So now we have reserved this page for our table of contents. We need to insert page numbers to ease the process of making the table of contents. How we want to insert page numbers? Firstly, click on Insert here and choose Page Numbers. And then, there are many ways to place the page numbers, but I will choose at the bottom of page and I will select the plain number 3. And now we want to make sure that the numbers start at 1 only after the cover page. So how we want to eliminate this number 1 at the cover page? Navigate to the header and footer tab. Click on different first page here. By doing so, we are not include the cover page as our number of pages. Now, at the second page, it is stated that the number 2. So, we want it to be number 1. What we need to do? So, highlight the number here. Then, format page number. And click on Start at. Change the number into 1. Now, our second page has already started at 1, 2, 3, and so on. Last but not least, for the tutorial today, we want to insert table of contents. Move to the second page that we have reserved, the page for table of contents. Go to the References tab and choose Table of Contents. Select the desired style, often labeled as Table 2. Voila! It will automatically create the table of contents here. So use the pages and the content. After then formatting our document, we want to export it as a PDF file. So click on File in the top left corner, click on Export and select Create PDF and Publish. And now we're done formatting our document here. This is the final look of the document. And there you have it. You've reached the end of our formatting document adventure with Microsoft Word. By now, you are good in making your document look top-notch. We've covered the basics like section breaks, paragraph alignment, and stylish headings. Plus, you've mastered the art of adding a cool cover page, page numbers, and a nifty table of contents. Just remember to hit that save button regularly to keep all your formatting magic intact. If you ever need a refresher or run into questions, come back to this guide or ask for help. That is all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye!